Now.
Arrgh. Ahoy there, mateys. This is the good ship Mentor. We just made a run to the Thimble Islands. We did a big cargo. We hold a big cargo of duct tape. That duct tape has been around the world through the Gulf Stream.
Through the Bermuda Triangle.
Yes, and even the Pythagorean cosine of
parallelogram.
Yeah.
But we can't sail our pirate flag because we're in Moscow water.
Well, I beg to differ with you there, lass. There's that pirate flag right there. Captain, we're just flying the US of A flags to be incognito.
Here's the treasure map.
Treasure map. I'm a princess kidnapped in faraway lands, and I'm afraid we're going to fall off the end of the earth. But not yet. Maybe tomorrow.
Yes, my strategy is to fill them up with rum cake and then have my way with them.
That'd be gross. Oh,
the shuffleboard tournament is at noon.
Yep. If you look on my t-shirt, it says, fill them up with rum cake and then you can dance with them no matter what.
They'll dance with you no matter what bed you are. That's pretty funny. I would say no, there's nothing in the way if you stay on that course.
Captain, should I pull this cord?
We don't have any cords. We only have halyards and sheeties, matey.
Sheeties.
Don't stick your tongue out at me, matey. The last person to do that we called Slurrin' Sam.
You would have lost the plane.
Aye, look a beam. Look a beam, look lively.
The navigator.
There's a Polynesian catamaran.
We're right here.
Polynesian catamaran.
You're on the wrong page.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Upside down.
Polynesian catamaran?
Yes, Polynesian catamaran. There must be some lovely prizes on board her. We'll have to get her. Oh, look, she's flying a hull. We'd fly a hull here, but there's no aerials on board Mentor.
I could do one.
So we're bound east for glory and plunder.
I thought we were heading west.
Now we're heading east for glory and plunder. Maybe for bills, where there's a wily couple of Peter and Lynn that we will...
I would be way drunk.
Yeah.
Should we call them? Not yet.
And what will we call them?
We'll tell them we're 10 miles away.
What device would you use to call them with, matey?
Lobster pot.
Lobster pot?
We just ran over one.
Oh, yes. I hate when that happens.
Oh, God. Could you turn the boat around? I need to get tan on the other side.
What?
What? Hi.
It's a lot of video. She's just pretending.
Oh, she's going to edit it.
No, I don't edit it. It all just goes on YouTube.
I love YouTube. Love YouTube.
When I stand at the front, do my, what's your name? Who was in the Titanic?
Keanu Reeves.
Oh, I know Keanu.
Kate Winslow.
Want me to do my Kate Winslow?
Do your, what's his name?
Well,
I'm only a beginner, so is this good?
let them separate them.
Wait a minute, what was that rude remark you made about me once? I can't remember.
Once?
It was something. Once. The one that she remembered. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Captain, do you have any final words in closing?
I hope we get
Just one.
I hope we make it.
Arrgh, matey. 15.